On April 28, 1947, the United Nations convened a special session to discuss the future of Palestine. The session resulted in the establishment of the United Nations Special Committee on Palestine to make recommendations.
Meeting at Flushing Meadow Park, New York, delegates of 55 member states of the United Nations tackle the serious problem raised by continued turmoil in the Holy Land. The General Assembly chooses Dr. Osvaldo Aranha, former Foreign Minister of Brazil, to preside over the extraordinary session called by Great Britain. The British ask that the Assembly appoint a commission of inquiry to report on the grave situation. In the Holy Land, violence continues. Members of underground organizations blow up the Cairo-Haifa Express, carrying 250 British troops among its passengers. The heavy blast kills 8 and injures 41, smashing the wooden coaches to kindling wood. This soldier, whose foot is badly crushed, is among the casualties. An injured Turkish woman bewails her 3-year-old son, killed in the wreck which occurred near Rehoboth. It is because of the political unrest from which such disasters stem that the United Nations Assembly is meeting in special session. It hopes by present investigation and later action to bring peace to the Holy Land at last.